Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring you can run commands. This avoids permission errors. Once ready, open the Start or Applications menu. It's the quickest path. On Windows, press the Windows key. On Mac OS, press Command plus space and type Terminal. And on many Linux systems, press Control plus Alt plus T. These actions launch the Terminal app directly. Make sure to choose the default terminal for your shell so commands behave as expected, and if prompted, allow permissions to run. Once the Terminal app opens, you select the shell you prefer because shells change command syntax and features. If you use Mac OS, you might switch between Bash and ZSH. On Windows, pick PowerShell or Command Prompt. Open a new window or tab to keep work organized. This prevents losing output from previous tasks. If a task requires elevated privileges, run the app as administrator or prefix commands with sudo on Unix systems. Doing this now prevents permission failures later. You finish by confirming the terminal is responsive. Type whoami or ls to see results and verify your working directory. If nothing appears, close and reopen the window, then reboot if necessary. This clears stuck processes. Make sure you started the terminal with the correct privileges. If commands fail due to permissions, relaunch as administrator or usudo. If problems persist, check system updates or installer issues, since outdated or corrupted terminal apps can block launches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.